1, 2, 3, clean! Yeah. What's up, man? It's your boy Cal tapping in. Live and direct, man. We at Worth, man, out here in Lima, Ohio, man. And today is a special day, man. Not only am I back doing my thing with from the brand to the bookshelf, we got a nail tech coming in here, man, sharing her skill and expertise with the ladies. We also have a panel of guys who've been home now for 6 months to a year, and they're all thriving because they went through the clean program, man. We saving and changing lives, bro.
Justice Shanae, I came to the Worth Center to come and teach, to bring enlightenment to the nail industry and how women can bring wealth in the nail industry. Coming here and telling the woman how to do nails is opening her eyes to the cosmetology industry. My experience here was absolutely amazing. I love the women, they were receptive. I got to even see my inner child in them. I was a very broken child, and seeing where I could have been. This brought tears to my eyes. I really enjoyed my experience, and I cannot wait to come back.
Shaq Daniel back here at the Worth Center. I got out of here January 2022. I come back to speak today, tell the guys about my business I've been running. Just coming off the biggest sale for my business, moving someone out to California. Real happy about that. So now I'm just breaking down the basics of what it is to keep a business going with a sober mind, because stuff like this could be ruined if I went back to choosing drugs and alcohol over it. I offered a $600 for the next guys that's coming behind me to start a business, get them in the right direction. That's a big part, is giving back to the people that gave to me. That's what Coach Smith done to me, so I'm giving back to him. Proud of the clean program, and I'm proud of the guys that also came with me today to show that you can change and keep building. Just stay locked in with clean and we'll get you there.
So we just had another successful day here at one of our amazing facilities, the Worth Center. A lot of programming today, a lot of seminars, man, from some special guests. We had our good guy, Calvin Burnett, come and drop his knowledge and game and wisdom, not only on his story, but teaching others how to monetize their story. On the women's side, we're so excited today that we had a special guest, a master nail technician, come and show the ladies how to get into the beauty industry, how to thrive, how to create revenue streams, how to take care of themselves using a skill set. So that was super dope. And then we ended the day with some former residents of the Worth Center, some folks from the clean program, getting a chance to come back in some of the very seats that they sat in. Some, 8 months ago, a couple years ago, these guys got to come back and pour back into the folks that are here now. Got to show some perspectives of, hey, I was once in those seats not too long ago, and this is what you can do. Here are the strategies. Here's how you can come out of these walls, out of these doors, re-enter society, and have success. Listen, man, we couldn't ask for a better day. I'm so thankful for the guys that participated today. I'm thankful for the administration allowing us to come in and do programming like this. And I know the guys and the girls, they were impacted the most. And so we are so appreciative, so thankful. Until next time, man, stay clean.